Hi, this is Dr. Antelak from The Gentle Dentist. The question is, what makes us the gentle dentist? In fact, people at the end of when we first see them, they go, "Oh, now we understand why you're the gentle dentist." Well, not only that, because we really strive to take care of our patients in the most gentle way. We know that dentistry can be a very, very fear-based environment. People actually in the past, and we hear this story all the time when they were kids, how the dentist either ridiculed them, scolded them, embarrassed them, even hurt them, and they even did some things to try to stop the dentist, and that never took place. And so because of that, it's really important for us to know, to develop the trust that we have with our clients, our patients that we see. We don't expect that trust right away. We need to earn that trust. And to earn that trust, that means that number one is we start to understand your exact needs, that you or a patient who has concerns, that we really understand what their needs are. We listen, first of all. God gave us 2 ears and 1 mouth. That means we listen twice as much as we speak. And that's something that we really strive to do. Number one is the way that we are the gentle dentist is that we have the intentions of doing things in the most gentle way and to change people's perspective on the way that dentistry has been served for them in the past. Many times we see people who haven't been in 5 to 10 years, if not more, because of that fear. The reality is that people who have this level of fear think about going to the dentist all the time. But the reality is that their fear has trumped and overruled their desire to get care. It's not only until a toothache develops that they then have to make that decision to go in. They choose us because not only our name, but because of really what we do. Number one is from your very first call, when you call our office, is you're going to notice that you're treated differently. You're treated with respect. We want to take the time to understand your position, where you are, and where things have been in your past. Number two is when you do come to see us, we do our best to attempt to have one of our doctors give you a call before the day before so that we can understand your needs. We try to really introduce ourselves, welcome you to our office, and find out what your chief concern is about that. Then when you come into our office, we're going to all meet you with a smile. We're going to take care of your needs. We're going to listen to you. We're going to develop a plan before we do anything. We want to perform, we want to inform before we perform. That means that it's really, really relevant and important that you understand all aspects before we start. If people have issues with that, then we are definitely going to go along as far as they need. But we're going to continue to encourage them to continue to move forward with their care. We even provide oral sedation for those who have a level of fear, and that way we can give them a pill that will help them to relax, a lot of times to remember none of the procedures that we do, or even nitrous oxide gas. We also add noise-canceling headphones that they can listen to while having treatment done. So all these things come together, and if you look at our reviews, or the majority of them are very, very high because of the way that we take care of people. We know that we are put here for a purpose, and our purpose is to serve God. And through the care that we take care of people, it's a reflection of the light that He's given to us and our skill set that He's given to us, our compassion that He's given to us, so that we can then give it to you, our patients. So please give us a chance, give us a call. Our number is 586-247-3500. We'll definitely do our best to take care of your needs. And why don't you demonstrate, why don't you find out why we are called the Gentle Dentist? Thank you. God bless.